Hello everyone. Let's have a session on eligibility criteria and selection process for all the IIMs. Let us start with the IIMs that accept the IPMET Indore score. If we look at IIM Indore, the age criteria, it is 20%, less than 20 years of old in a general category student and less than 25 years old as a reserved category student. There is no 10th and 12th requirement, just requirement is a student should have passed class 10th and class 12th. There is no subject criteria mandatory, student should have taken maths or no, there is no mandatory subject criteria. If you look at the selection process, 65% of the weightage is given to the aptitude test and 35% weightage is given to the personal interview round. Moving on to IIM Shillong, the age criteria remains same as that of IIM Indore. But if you look at 10th and 12th, there's a requirement of minimum 60% in class 10th and 12th for a general category student and minimum 55% in class 10th and 12th for a reserved category student. Very important here, if you want to apply to IIM Shillong, then you should have taken maths or applied maths in your class 12. Selection process is much more interesting here because if you look at it, they give 10% weightage to class 10 marks and 10% weightage to class 12 marks. Only 30% weightage is given to the IPMET Indore score, 50% of the weightage is given to personal interview, which means they emphasize very less on the written test. They also look at the past academic and the main weightage is given to the personal interview round. IIM Ranchi, age criteria remains the same. 10th and 12th, if you look at 60% requirement in class 12th for a general category and for the reserve category that is 55%. No subject criteria again. Aptitude test score is 50%. Personal interview is 30%. Academic profile 10th and 12th combined is 20%. That's a breakup of 7% and 13% respectively. And there is a 5 marks which are awarded for a gender diversity. So if you are a female student, if you are a girl student, you get 5 bonus point which is added to your composite score. If you look at IIM Amritsar, age criteria is same. Minimum 60% in class 12 for a general category student and 55% for a reserved category student. Again, like Shillong, students should have taken maths or applied mathematics in class 12. Look at the selection process. The aptitude test score has the highest weightage, 70% more than IIM Indore, which has just 65% weightage. 25% weightage is given to the personal interview and gender diversity is 5%. If you look at IIM Shirmore provide a BMS degree. Age criteria remains the same. 10th and 12th minimum 55% for general and category student. If you look at the selection criteria, ATS score, IPMET Indore ATS 55% weightage, personal interview is 30%, 10th and 12th score is 10% and gender diversity is 5%. Now let's look at the selection criteria for the IIM Rohtak. For a general NCOBC EWS, the age criteria is less than 20 years and for SC, ST and DAP category, it is less than 25 years as on 30th June of the exam year. For 10th and 12th, minimum 60% requirement for general NCOBC EWS, for SC, ST and DAP, which is minimum 55% is the requirement. Aptitude test score is 55%. Personal interview is 15%, very least. I would say this is the least among all the IIMs which accept interview scores. 10th score is 10% and 12th score is whooping 20%, which means 30% weightage is given to your past academic 10th and 12th percentage. If you look at the eligibility criteria for IIMs accepting JIPMAT score, there are two IIMs. One is IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya. Let's look at IIM Bodh Gaya first. Age criteria remains the same, 10th and 12th remains the same, no subject criteria. The admission is based only and only on the aptitude test score. There is no personal interview round. 30% of the seats are reserved for supernumerary girls. So there are 30% of the seats which are reserved for girls. from the remaining 70% are not for boys, they are unreserved, which means in those 70% also you can have girls who can occupy that seat in that unreserved category. And this 30% gets equally distributed among various categories: general, NCOBC, EWS, SC, ST and DAP, based on the percentage allocation decided by the government of India. Same is the criteria for IIM Jammu as well. No change: age, 10th and 12th, aptitude test, gender diversity, everything remains the same. Now let's look at what is the selection criteria for IIM Kozhikode BMS test. So if you look at IIM Kozhikode, there is no age limit. Surprisingly, all the IIM that we saw till now had some age limit. IIM Kozhikode says there is no age limit. 10th and 12th should have just passed 10th and 12th. No subject criteria. Selection process is an aptitude test or a valid alternative test score. So yes, on their website they have mentioned if a student has written JEE Mains or SAT, a student can apply through JEE Main or SAT score as well. Based on either of the score or the best of this best score, that the personal interview round, based on the aptitude test score, the personal interview and the academic performance in class 10th and 12th, the final shortlist is given. Now the weightage of each of these three criteria is not mentioned on the IIMK website yet. I am sure by the end of this season they should be out with the details as well. If you look at IIM Bangalore BBA DB online program, again there is no age limit. 10th and 12th, interesting, it's an online BBA program, but it is mandatory to score 60% if you are a general, NCOBC or an EWS candidate. For SC, ST and PWD, minimum 55% in class 12 is mandatory. The selection is purely based on the aptitude test, and there are whooping 1000 seats in IIM Bangalore online program, DB program. There are 1000 seats. The admission is based purely based on the aptitude test scores. So there are three IIMs which does not conduct interview: IIM Jammu, IIM Bodh Gaya and IIM Bangalore for the online program. Thank you everyone and all the best for your preparation.